Hi team, second grade. This is your Tuesday, October 15th lesson, Unit 2, Lesson 17, and today we are solving two-digit addition problems with and without regrouping with missing addends in both positions by relating addition and subtraction. Wow, this is going to be a doozy of a lesson, but you've been building towards it with the constant conversations about what does each value represent, part or whole, based on your known values. What are you using to solve addition or subtraction? And this is if you have actually insisted on part, whole labels and number bonds, you'll be in a great place. If you haven't, you're not going to be in a great place, and it's going to be challenging today. So keep that in mind as you're jumping into this lesson. Those are things that you need to do and to insist on. So today, when I have a missing addend in an addition equation, I can use subtraction to find the missing addend because part plus part equals whole, and whole minus part equals part. This is actually the TTED because it is an actual conceptual skill that when I know a part and I know a part, I combine the parts to make a whole. But when I'm missing a part, I can use my whole minus my part to find my part. I'm not going to rewrite this because it's a waste of my time. CFS. Today, like usual, identify and label. No joke, part plus part, and whole. 2, represent. Known values in a number bond. 3, based on unknown, identify the operation you're using. Solve. And then 5, yeah, that's it. Okay, so let's cross-check that against the actual problem of the day. We are doing some really great, oh, look at this. This is exactly what you've been working on, so it shouldn't feel too far off. So first I asked myself, what are my known values? I know that this is a part. In an addition problem, I combine 2 parts to make a whole. I'm going to now go into my number bond. I have 31, 62, and I need to find my unknown part. So then I create an equation based on that. So if I know my whole is 62, and I know my part is 31, I can subtract to find that. Then I actually solve 60 plus 2, 30 plus 1, no regrouping required. And my answer, horribly enough, is 31. It's a terrible problem to start with because it really doesn't actually speak to different numbers. But today, if you've done that, number bond equation, label the parts in the whole, solve with 6 and dots, regrouping shown, thinking explained. This is not far off, and this one is better. Label part whole, represent the known value in the number bond, based on the unknown, identify the operation. And I would say, and write EQ. Great, have fun.